Hello to my dear beloved students and also to the University of Houston, Texas. And a special thanks goes to my friend Jean William Dordijn, a solid work specialist from Netherlands. Here there is a double glass which is made by SolidWorks and pouring whiskey and cubic ice into it by method of Photoshop. The student must learn Photoshop and do that. Go to the SolidWorks front page, sketch it, and then go to center line and sketch a vertical line, horizontal, three horizontal line like this. Go out and then to go to center line, make a horizontal to this distance like this. Now we make to measurement and give a 61 millimeter to that. The second one 26 millimeter and the third one 2 millimeter and the other one 14.5 millimeter. Okay, and then go this line, make out of construction, we do it, and then go to the line, and make a vertical line and give it the dimension of 7 millimeter. Okay, and we make out of construction. Okay, then make a spline, connect these 2 points. We make a little bit like this and then give the degree between two lines 74 degree and the dimension 67. Okay, give it a degree between two lines 51 degree and make that dimension here 71. Okay, now go to spline, change, connect this 2 point to the spline. Now we make a change like this. Okay, and then give a degree between these two lines 87 degree. And then give a dimension of 88. Okay, and then make this line horizontal. Go to revolve boss. Make flit 1 millimeter. Okay, and then go to fillet 1 millimeter, 5 millimeter, this edge. Okay, Then go to isometric, right click and go to the change transparent. Go to change transparent. Final rendering. Make 100%, make it bigger, and then clearance, make the clearance and the double glass made. And the blue clearance, such a things. Now we pour some ice and whiskey to it, as you see it, and the other one, Coca-Cola with the ice cubic